Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and children of all ages, welcome back to another merch unboxing. Alright, so we're going to deep dive into this here package. It's down here. Now, I know nothing about these bad boys. I haven't even looked at them. As you see, I just pulled them out of the package, and this is the way they look. You know, that's the top of the package right there. So, we're about to open these bad boys and find out what this is all about. And I have to break it out. Always carry you a knife. Because if you don't need it in emergencies to protect yourself, you may need it to open something, cut a seatbelt, whatever else. Alright, so we're going to remove these from the package here as soon as I can get these open. I haven't looked at these yet. I mean, you may have seen them. I haven't looked at them yet. It's alright. Pardon me. My buddy got me sick, or I got a sinus infection along with a cold. Alright, so I know we ordered a limited edition sticker designed by the Mad One himself. You're going to see it first. I mean, I'm not even having looked at this bad boy yet. You guys will see it first. So, yeah, let's look at this bad boy. Wow. Oh, wow, dude. So, let's count these bad boys and see what we got going on here. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, well, yeah, so, 50. On the nose, I didn't get any freebies with this, so you want one? Head on over to Evil Twin Sticker Company. And we're going to be giving some of these away. Yeah, these are pretty cool. So, we're going to pull 5. Take 20 and put there. 25 go in the store. Okay, so there you go. You got to see behind the scenes. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit up our socials, follow us, go listen to our Spotify playlist. Link will be down in the bio. It should be already down there. I don't know if the issue is there. But we're going to short and sweet and to the point. So, now on the grand finale of these bad boys. These are supposed to be some glow-in-the-dark stickies, so we're going to see if we can't get that glow on these bad boys. Yeah. All right, so the charge works. Yeah. That's pretty freaking cool, dude. So there you go. Brand new stickers from Evil Twin Sticker Company. Go check them out on Facebook. That's it. Peace out, Girl Scout.